Hey, I'm having fun with this microphone today. Can make some pretty awesome sounds. Check this out. Wind. Pretty cool, hey? What about this one? Creak. That's a creaky door opening. How about a silly, spooky sound this time? Woo! I love these sounds. Hey, how about I come up with a cool sound song? With my imagination, my microphone and voice, I can make anything happen. The story's all my choice. Adventures in the jungle. Adventures in the sky. Adventures with my microphone and I. Okay, now what sound effect can I come up with now? Oh, how about footsteps?
Hey, Stevie. What's that sound?
What was what sound?
That sound. Footsteps.
It's a sound effect using this microphone. Pretty cool, hey?
Wow, can you do some more?
Yeah, hey, how about we tell a story together?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, well, you act out the story and I'll make up the sound effects, okay?
Okay, great.
Okay, so first, you open up a creaky old door to go outside, okay? Creak. Cool. And then you have to walk through some sticky mud, okay?
Ooh, cool, sticky mud. Wow, look, a beautiful bird.
Oh, Charlie, look where you're going. Whoa.
Oh, what did I just trip over?
A hollow log.
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah, and it's full of...
Bees. Oh. What's next?
Boing, boing, boing.
Oh, a little rabbit.
No, boing, boing,
kangaroo.
boing, no, boing, boing, boing,
Pogo stick.
boing.
I love pogo bouncing.
And that's the end of our super sound effects story.
You've got a great imagination, Stevie.
That's what sound effects are all about. With my imagination, my microphone and voice, I can make anything happen. The story's all my choice. Adventures in the jungle. Adventures in the sky. Adventures with my microphone and I. Boing, boing, boing. Let's see what the others are up to. They might want to bounce too. Boing, boing, boing.